discuss about
English is not a new subject for the student at school. Recent years, the students have learned English since they was at elementary school. Some of them already know English since they was at kindergarten. The reason is simple. It is cause of the identity of English as international language. The use of English as global language has affected point of view of many people that make them want to learn English, at least for communication purpose. Indonesia as national language, where some communities think that Bahasa Indonesia is more important to be taught at elementary school than English as foreign language. However, this curriculum still has weakness that should be evaluated and revised in order to make to reach the best education goals. In KTSP, English subject for elementary school students was studied clearly to brief content that led the student to learn to four basic skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing. It was categorized as muatan lokal, where the student learned English once a week. The situation is really different from curriculum 2013 that do not take English as one important subject that should be taught at elementary school. The students do not learn English at elementary school anymore. They may learn English as extracurricular where there is no specific time allocation and the student do not have to take the subject. In fact, English as international language is an interesting subject that should be learned by the student. Even some of them think that English is not important subject. There are several reasons why teaching English at elementary school is important. First, it is widely used as global language that cover many aspects of life. Second, elementary school students as young learners are the best path to learn English as foreign language.
1. English for young learners. A. Concept of young learners. Elementary school students can be categorized as young learners because they are in the early age that start from 6 until 12 years old. She understood that young learners are the students in elementary school have aged between 6 until 12 years old. Young learners consist of two groups. There are young group and older group. Well, based on their class, it can be called as lower classes students that include grade 1 until 3 and upper class includes grade 4 until 6. Commonly, English in elementary school is learned by the student in upper classes. There are 5 to 7 years old are all level 1, the beginner stage. The 8 to 10 years old may also be beginner. Indonesia that based on the state law. It can be seen that there are various points of view about the age in categorizing the student as young learners. Elementary school student. So it can be said that young learners are students of elementary school who has age around 6 until 12 years old.
B. Characteristic of young learners. Elementary school students are learners that can imitate something easily, such as language. In learning a language, the student needs an environment surrounded by target language that is meaningful because of the context and because of the way the teacher speaks to them. In teaching young learners, teachers should know their characteristics in order to have simplicity in understanding them. The characteristics cover this way of thinking, aptitude, and learning language. Profit give a list of the characteristics of young learners. First, young learners are just starting their learning at school, so the teacher have a major opportunity to mold their expectation of life in school. Second, they are potentially more differentiated than secondary of adult learners because they are closer to various home culture. Third, they tend to be keen and enthusiastic learners. Next, they already have great skill in using limited language creativity. Because of that, teaching English or French language is something unique for them. Teachers need to be creative and have big talents in teaching and learning process.
English subject in Indonesia curriculum. English in as spoken language by the student at school. According to Purwaningsih, the development of curriculum in Indonesia, especially for English subject, can be categorized into several periods. They curriculum 1986, curriculum 1994, kurikulum berbasis kompetensi, and kurikulum tingkat satuan pendidikan KTSP. Discussion. English is one of subject that not included on this new curriculum, whereas it had been taught as a subject for elementary school students. Some people who agree with this situation have to talk reason for shifting the position of English as a subject in elementary school. English shall be included as a subject in elementary school. First, English has been learned by most of people in the world. In addition, English is multi-asset in publishing books, making films, music, and a lot of internet. School students get entertainment, talk movies, and music were several of them, especially of the popular movies and music. As English talk mystery English, the student can access I in any website with several consideration and guidance from their parents.
Discussion because of the role of English as global language. It's important to introduce English as a language to the elementary school students since they are in early age. They know the new language. The easier they get the language. This is also related with critical parade hypothesis that has gained a lot of attention over the last several decades. This idea states that elementary school students assume learning are able to learn a new language with greater ease than older learners. It means that elementary school is the right level to start introducing English as foreign language because of the student golden age. Moreover, the students who have learned English the elementary school will get easier to learn the subject in the school levels. As we can see, English is also being taught at high school level where this, with the material is concept more complex. English that studied commonly used in daily life where most of media as English term. Most of them as English term to make their products become more popular. So, English need to be learned by the student in elementary school as concrete material. However, it needs several consultants to take English as one of subject in elementary school curriculum. The main one is material that will learn by the student, as will the student learn Bahasa Indonesia as their first or national language. They also can learn English to expand their knowledge. Conclusion. Curriculum 2013 has selected KTSP as proposed curriculum that include English as one subject that could be in elementary school. English subject is important to be learned by the student since they are in elementary school because it will help them in learning. Beside that, English has really as in their daily life. Most of aspect in their life as English that need their understanding.